Hi, today we're going to talk about conditional sentences. And what conditional sentences are things like, if I bounce a ball in the air, the ball, the gravity, it will bounce down. And if I pour water on a fire, then the fire will go out. These two are examples of conditional sentences. This is what a conditional sentence is. If I bounce a ball, the ball will bounce down. If I pour water onto a fire, then the fire will go out. So these are examples of conditional sentences. These two examples are actually zero conditional sentences. Zero conditional. What we're going to talk about next are actually the more common first conditional sentences. So first conditional sentences, first conditional spelt out. It's to talk about things that have a high possibility of something happening. So when you're talking about high possibility of something happening, if you look outside and you see rain clouds, and the rain clouds are dark, but maybe it's not raining yet. And if there's no rain, but the rain clouds are dark and the forecast said that it should rain today, then you know that it is a high possibility of it raining today. So when you ask yourself, can this happen? Can this happen? You're talking about the first conditional. So maybe 90% chance of rain, never 100%. The first conditional is only used to talk about things which have a high possibility of something happening. So never 100%. So an example, if we look at an example, if you wake up in the morning on the weekend and you see the gray clouds, you say to yourself, if it rains, I will go back to sleep. Or, I will go back to sleep if it rains. So, is this possible? Yes. So, will this situation happen 100% of the time? No. So therefore, we're talking about first conditional. Another example, if I study hard, I will pass the test. So is this situation possible? If I study hard, I will pass the test. Absolutely. Is this situation, will it happen 100% of the time? No. So this is what the first conditional it is. It's to talk about things that have a high probability of happening. So this is the lesson on first conditional. And now I'll get you to write first conditional sentences, and we will see if you are right. Thanks.